everyone. Let us see the next example. If P 9a minus 2 comma B divides the line segment joining A 3a plus 1 minus 3 and B 8a comma 5 in the ratio 3:1, find the values of A and B. Ratio is given to us, points also given to us, and the coordinates of P is also given to us. So what do? Using the section formula, we know the ratio here and also the coordinates of A and B, means the line segment coordinates. Using the section formula, we will find out the coordinates of P and we will equate those coordinates of P with this one so that we can find out the values of A and B also. Let us see this one. So here what was given to us? A and B values was given. So let this one be x1, y1 and let this one be x2, y2. And here it is m and n. We know the section formula. Px comma y equal to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n comma my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. So here P values are given as 9a minus 2 comma B is given to us equal to m value is how much? 3 here. X2 value is 8a plus n value is 1. X1 value is 3a plus 1 by m plus n is 3 plus 1 comma my2. M is 3, y2 is 5 plus n is 1, y1 is minus 3 by 3 plus 1. So here 9a minus 2 comma b equal to 3 8s are 24a plus 3a plus 1 by 4 comma 15 minus 3 by 4. Now 9a minus 2 comma b equal to 24a plus 3a. This gives you 27a plus 1 by 4 comma here 12 by 4. Here with these two are the coordinates, so we can compare them. How do we compare? 9a minus 2 equal to 27a plus 1 by 4 and the same manner b equal to 12 by 4. 4 ones, 4 3s are 12. So b value is 3 here. Now here cross multiplication. By 1 here it is cross multiplication. 36a minus 8 equal to 27a plus 1. Transfer one side. 36a minus 27a equal to 1 plus 8. This is 9a equal to 9. That implies a equal to 9 by 9 value is 1. Find the values of a and b. Therefore, a equal to 1 and b equal to how much? 3. Clear? Thank you.